Welcome to the project demonstration of Android mobile phone Bluetooth control AC induction motor speed controlling system. So here we are going to sending the commands from our Android mobile phone to the system through this HC05 Bluetooth module, and the received commands will be decoded by our PIC16F73 microcontroller and based on the signals received from this one. So here the signals are, we are going to sending the characters 0 to 8. In 9 levels we are going to controlling the speed of this AC induction motor, which is rating of around near to 100 watts of motor, and the speed of this motor will be controlling by making use of two input modules. One is Bluetooth, another is zero crossing detector, and the one output module is triac. So in this we are going to use BT136 triac board, and which will take the pulse input from this microcontroller, and it will provide the pulses based on the input from the Bluetooth module as well as zero crossing detector. So Bluetooth module will inform the speed level, and zero crossing detector will inform the microcontroller the zero crossing timing. So here we are providing input to 12 volts AC, and rectifier will convert the pulsating DC, and based on the pulses, whenever the zero is crosses, the transistor will inform to the microcontroller that crossing levels the timings. And here the input is 230 volts input we are providing parallelly to the transformer as well as to the motor through this BT136 triac board. Transformer will take the 230 volts input and provide as a 12 volts AC output. So from this regulated power supply board we will get directly 5 volts constant DC. Why? Because here 12 volts AC input parallelly to the zero crossing detector as well as to this bridge rectifier. After this full wave bridge rectifier we will get 12 volts pure pulsating DC, and after this filter we will get pure DC of 12 volts, and after this 7805 regulator we will get constant 5 volts power supply. When we provide that input, it start reading input from these two modules and controlling the output of BT136. So let us see the demonstration. Before switching on this kit, we need to install the application. So this one is the application we need to install. It is a Bluetooth terminal. So in the Play Store you can type directly HC05. So when we type HC05 terminal, we will get this application. Install this application. After that you can switch on the kit. So follow these steps clearly. Right. So now the system is blinking very fast initially, and now go to the Bluetooth settings of your phone and search for the Bluetooth device. This is the only initial setup when we run the application first time. So after that you can directly go to the application. So HC05 came and it will ask for the password. The password is 1234. Sorry, 1234 is the password. After pairing successfully done from this, now go to the application. Right, and here we can see the HC05. So after pairing from this application, we can see the Bluetooth blinking red got slowed down. Right, you can see that. Okay, and now, so as we said, so one more setting you need to do is click and hold this one. Right, when we click and hold this one, we'll get this kind of thing. Right, now actually cancel. Right, when you click and hold the send button, then we can see this. So now disable these two. So untick them and save. Okay, and now so enter ASCII value here. So 1. So we can see that starting speed, and next 2. We can sense the sound also. high speed, and 0 for switch off that. So in this manner we can control the AC induction motor speed by sending 0 to 8. So you don't forget to disable that 2 ticks, that's very important. So when we send, for example, when I send the 1, so it will receive that, and one nothing but the speed is converted, we arrange that mapping the speed from 0 to 8 9 levels. So and also same thing, the PWM signal which we get given to this track board also, it will be converted, it's mapped from 0 to 9 levels. Okay, so based on the input from the mobile phone, we are going to controlling the speed of the AC induction motor.